Good evening and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. Enjoy this presentation. On tonight's menu, pineapple chicken and brown rice. Morning mise en place. Just after prep, I added a few things. The evening mise en place in order of appearance. Heating up some oil in the brazier. Saute some onion. Then I add the garlic and the ginger and saute for about a minute. Then I add chopped red bell pepper and saute. And then I add the chicken thighs and saute for several minutes. And then I add the pepper flakes, the soy sauce, and the honey. After stirring, I add the pineapple and some basil, the finished pineapple chicken, and the finished brown rice, and the final presentation. Thank you for joining me here at the Casual Chef's Kitchen. I hope you enjoy this presentation. Have fun cooking.